What's going on, guys? Hello again. Welcome to the next video for Amazon Selling Hustle. In this video, we are going to review Module 2, Step-by-Step Arbitrage, Buying and Selling. Step 1, start scanning barcodes of products you see on clearance, blowout, discount, or even some deals that look really good. Step 2, check the seller's rank. Step 3, add the Jungle Scout estimator tool to your phone's home screen. It's not an app, but it comes across as a great app when you actually just add it to your screen. Works really well with mobile. Step 4, run the seller's rank number through your Jungle Scout estimator tool. Step 5, review the sell price, FBA fees, and profit potential. Step 6, verify the total number of FBA sellers. If too many, proceed with caution. Step 7, check if Amazon is a seller. If yes, again, proceed with caution. Step 8, verify eligibility. If not eligible, step 9, request approval, get unrestricted. Step 10, add to your inventory, list and sell button. Step 11, ship your products to Amazon. And step 12, set up the automated price feature located in your price drop down on your Amazon Seller Central account. When you add this automated price feature, your benefits will be increased sales. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.